I'm a tech services apprentice, and I just graduated from Doherty this last year.
I graduated from Doherty this past year, and I'm a tech services apprentice.
So I started out as a student worker my sophomore summer, and then I transitioned into my apprenticeship period my junior first semester. I was kind of in the job search. I've had like little employment before then and was just kind of wanting to gain some experience and kind of get my foot in the door.
I was also just in a search for a job, and through connections from like the school, I found out about apprenticeship opportunities. I've always had interest in tech as well, and so I thought I'd just try it out and get the experience that I've always had interest in.
During the summer, our main goal is to get all the devices ready for the next school year. So this may be hardware, re-imaging devices, going school to school, making sure all the devices are good. And so our main goal is to make sure that those repairs are fixed when the upcoming school year happens. Our certifications are like well-known like skills and everything. That's where we learn most of our criteria. And so with those certifications, we can go out into the real world, and without any college degree or anything, we can go and get a job with those certifications, which is super, super cool.
I'd say just being able to get my foot in the door younger in a professional environment and learn how to be in a professional environment, and like all the skills needed for that, time management, and just like working with people who are older than me and getting experience in that. I plan on using certifications and just continuing to get more years of experience in the field. I want to do something with graphic design and also just like the hands-on stuff that I love too.
So I want to go into the tech world, but I also want to go into the health industry. And so my main goal is to go into like cyber technology and like brain technology and transition into that realm. So I use my certifications and the experience that I get from my apprenticeship to go into the health industry as well.